Which fruit is yellow and curved? The correct answer is banana! Great job! You're super smart! Which vegetable is orange and crunchy? Let's think. Ready? The correct answer is carrot! Awesome! You're amazing! Which fruit has tiny seeds outside? Time's up! The answer is strawberry! Wonderful! Keep learning! Which fruit is green inside and fuzzy outside? The correct answer is kiwi! Amazing! You're super smart! Which fruit is famous for making juice? Ready? It's orange! Excellent! You're doing great! Vegetable grows under the ground. Take your best guess. The correct answer is potato! Fantastic! You're super smart! See you next time!